Hi, this is Aisha.
Hi. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ. Actually, that should have been ऐसी.
It's like when you think what to make next. What can I do with him next which he's not done before, which is very exciting for him and for me, something we both not done before, a character he's not played before.
Hariji came up to me and said that, give me a reference of the character.
A normal man with a child and someone wants to take it away, and how a childlike person would cling to his toy, his piece of joy, and never let it go away.
Objection!
मुझे मेरे पापा के पास ही रहने दो.
तुम्हें क्या चाहिए?
Good मेरे साथ जाएगी. नहीं. We liked the thought, so we picked it up from there and we said, let's work on the script. And then they worked on the script and came back to me, and everything just worked.
It's a dream role for any actor to play, and he was all set and excited about it, and that set the ball rolling, and well, Mayasi was made.
I was shooting in Canada and my mom was visiting me there and she told me the story and I really liked everything immediately when I was there, and I was very excited to work with Mr. Harry Baweja for the first time, and the fact that he's directing the film himself.
I don't have a hero. I don't have heroes in my film. I have characters in my film because they play very definite characters.
Once he had narrated it, halfway through I was going, yes, 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 can we please shoot it now? Because for an actor, you couldn't have had more spectacular roles the way he has written them and portrayed them in the film. That's how मैं ऐसा ही हूँ happened.
Life is about laughter and life is about love.
Meet Neil and his family. Laugh, giggle, chuckle, tickle, smile, and cry.
Through him, we learn what actually is the essence of life. So, somewhere down the line, you feel that he probably is more normal than all of us because we actually have started behaving abnormally.
This story was told to me by Harry. I was very thrilled और मेरे को लगा कि इसको हमको जरूर बनाना चाहिए. बहुत ही अच्छी और सुंदर कहानी बन सकती है इसकी.
हम हैरी जी से मिलने गया, उन्होंने मेरे सामने एक स्क्रीन प्ले रखा पूरा और बोला ये फिल्म हम बनाना चाहते हैं. और मैंने जब पढ़ा है वो सो मूड में पढ़ते मैंने कहा मैं 100% लिखूंगा ये फिल्म.
The way that Mr. Baweja wanted to execute this was very interesting too. So it excited me tremendously to write.
And hence the title, The Story of a Normal Man in an Abnormal World.
It is a character which I've never played earlier. It was quite difficult to, because you have to be completely involved in every shot you were doing, in the sense, if it was not your scene, you were just standing there also, because he's a mentally challenged, a guy who's got a brain of a 7-year-old child.
And he's as ignorant, as innocent, as honest about anything in life. He refuses to lie. He refuses to part with the most dearest thing, but he yet refuses to lie for it.
उसके बाद जब कोर्ट में केस हार जाओगे, then don't come to me.
A man who's mentally challenged in this world, is he normal or is the world normal?
I went into details of interacting with the mentally challenged children, who are the mild kinds, and to find out from them how they would react to given a certain situation. I asked him, "Aap kahan rehte ho?" And he said, "मैं घर में रहता हूँ." Well, he was honest, he was right, but he was not probably prompt and definite about what I wanted to ask him. And then he started studying the body language.
I just put on weight because the character was, he had to be a little on the chubbier side and would look a little more vulnerable.
It is so true to life that it just does not feel that he's acting it. It just feels that this guy is actually what he is.
I don't think any other actor could have pulled it off with as much sincerity, as much passion, and so effortlessly.
It was also difficult to get into the character and then get out of the character and get into the character.
I did like how Ajay uncle has performed in the film.
Ajay has approached it with so much ease. It's so refreshing. It's so like something that I've not seen before, and at the same time it's so real.
Just walk into my life. Just walk into my life. Kahe deewanapan. Just walk into my life. Kahe deewanapan. Mainu dil vich rakh lu jaane man. Mainu dil vich rakh lu jaane man. Mainu dil vich rakh lu jaane man.
Everyone, in the first place, you didn't even know if you would get the character right ever.
He's such a tremendous actor.
He's really scored there as an actor, and it took us a lot of time, a lot of pain to really reach that point with rehearsals and the warm-up.
मैं ऐसा ही हूँ is something that I compliment him and our director, Mr. Harry Baweja.
We understand each other. It's lovely working with him, and he's a good director. If he narrates you something, he gets what he wants.
Mr. Harry Baweja is a very honest man. In the sense, when I say honest, I say he's so honest to himself. He's so honest to people around him, and he's so honest to the film that he's making.
When I was in school, I was friends with his daughter, so I used to go over to his place, and he's seen me as a kid. And now to suddenly be all professional and work with him was a little, in the beginning I found a little funny, but then at the end of the day, he is a fabulous director.
One of the nicest human beings I have known, one of the most warmest persons I've ever come across, and has a wonderful soul.
Wonderful, wonderful human being, wonderful man.
Sensitive about their approach is very sensitive towards filmmaking. Their passion is there.
I think this is his first attempt to make something which he's never tried, and I think he's done a brilliant job in it.
He has dealt with it with a lightness which makes the film incredibly beautiful.
He really brought my character out well, and he's handled the scenes between Ajay and me and the whole story very beautifully and very simply and nicely.
He does not want to interfere in your performance, he only wants to enhance it. God bless him, I wish I had worked with him earlier.
He understands me, I understand him, and that's why we've done so many films together, and our films have worked together also, so I think it works.
I think it's the 5th film of mine, Ajay, that's about to release now. And we've already scored with all of them with Jubilees. God willing, we have another winner in hand because the film has shaped up beautifully.
Dil mera todo na, dil mera todo na, tumhi se ye kehna hai, bada mushkil bis tere rehna hai, dil mera todo na.
मेरे डायरेक्टर ने मुझसे इस फिल्म के बारे में, उस कैरेक्टर के बारे में बात किया था. I just fell in love with her because she's so wonderfully real.
Very ambitious, very determined, very focused, but she's a little over the top. She's so engrossed into her work, she's so much into it that she forgets her family.
ये मदर टेरेसा का आश्रम नहीं, मेरा लीगल ऑफिस है. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए?
आप बेस्ट लॉयर हैं. आप मेरा केस लड़ो ना.
मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. I'm not interested.
The totally reverse of this character is this character really believes that he can't live without his child, and love is the most important thing. She believes that all the materialistic things are the most important things.
Very confident, very strong, very focused. Sushmita has done tremendous justice to her role.
She's so wonderfully human. इतनी सारी गलतियां करती है ये. उसके बावजूद गलतियों से कैसे निकलकर अपनी दुनिया वो वापस कायम करती है.
Very ambitious, not bothering कि बच्चे का क्या हो रहा है.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से,
तारों ने पूछा हजारों से,
सबसे प्यारा कौन है?
पापा, तेरे पापा.
मेरे पापा, पापा, तेरे पापा.
The finest written and executed characters on Indian screens for an Indian actress, because usually directors get shy away from a role like this. So well done, Mr. Baweja.
Catch you back, please don't go away.
Hi, we're back. welcome back.
She's quite a mysterious character. You feel like you know her, and then you suddenly don't know her at all. And I don't think herself knows herself well enough.
A whiff of wind, she came and she went.
Maya is a character who comes into his life and him not knowing about anything more than love.
She's like an illusion. She's literally like a Maya.
But she surprised me because she's performed so well.
If I keep a title which is very character oriented, probably that just might endear to the audience.
Maya Sayu suits the film the most because if the world is like this character is turning around and saying, but I am like this.
Well, he doesn't change for nuts because, well, he's made like that.
You have to accept me the way I am.
Well, yes, Maya Sayu. The very idea of the script excites them, and their job is now to portray that through the posters and convey it to the audience.
It's an emotional film and it's a very happy film. Those two key features we translated into all our creatives in terms of the colors, in terms of expressions. Never seen Ajay Devgan standing simply and holding two balloons in his hand.
Neil, you have to play a character as a character, so I think it works for the film.
That's nonsense.
आपकी बेटी ने मिस्टर इंद्रनील ठाकुर का फायदा उठाया.
एक बार माया की बेटी मेरे पास आ जाए, I will ruin him. झूठ बोलना पाप है.
उसके बाद जब कोर्ट में केस हार जाओगे, then don't come to me.
वो 8 साल की होगी, 10 साल की होगी, 11 साल की होगी, 12 साल की. तुम्हें समझाने के लिए दुनिया धीरे नहीं चलेगी.
मैं पागल हूँ. मैं आप लोगों की तरह इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हूँ. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ.
She knows my father is mentally challenged, so she's actually the more mature of the two. So she is actually the father of the family.
I think the whole relationship works in the film, and that's the most important thing.
It is playful, it is bubbly, and I like the character which I've played.
That's a slight complex role for a little girl to play, but she pulled it off very well.
Performed also so well that, you know, it made things a lot more easier and made the film very realistic.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से,
तारों ने पूछा हजारों से,
सबसे प्यारा कौन है?
पापा, तेरे पापा,
मेरे पापा, तेरे पापा.
My songs are not songs, they are scenes which are musically treated.
कोई एक ऐसी फिल्म मिली है जिसमें बहुत अच्छा काम करने का मौका मिला है.
All the songs are very situational. People will be able to connect with the songs once they see the film.
All the songs in the film come in at the right time and they go off at the right time. Nothing is too long.
The work Mr. Baveja has brought out in terms of the music, fab.
This music will be one of the best musics of the year.
Just walk into my life.
Papa, mere papa.
Just walking in my life.
मेरी गलियों से.
पापा, मेरे पापा.
दीवानापन दीवानगी.
दीवानापन, दीवानगी.
मेरा चैन मेरी चाहत, दिल की लगी तो ही.
Let's take a short break, but you better be back. Hey, you're actually back to see me again. It's nice to have you back.
An entertainer, and yet one that moves you, that awakens your spirits.
25-30 साल के बाद इतनी टीयर जर्किंग और इतनी इमोशनल और इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्म जिसका रिश्ता जो है दिमाग से नहीं जज्बात से है.
Every one of us together in this have worked together as a family, as a team unit, and this film will reflect that when you see it on screen.
Watch मैं ऐसा ही हूँ with your heart.
This film is very soft and emotional, with no characters larger than life.
A film like this is universal.
Very emotional about this film.
Makes you feel at the end of the film, you know, मैं भी ऐसा ही हूँ.
This film entertains you, this film makes you cry, film makes you laugh, this film has songs, but with more sensibilities.
Lot of entertainment in it, lot of fun, lot of laughter.
Everybody will come and see the film. We'll go tell the other person to watch the film.
I'm very sure this film will do well.
Smiling, you're laughing, and suddenly, you know, you just want to cry, and then you smile again.
It is a bubbly and friendly film and you will enjoy it.
Maybe your hearts and your emotions open up.
साथ में नैपकिन लेके जाइए.
My film is very character oriented.
There's some kind of inner confidence that I have. There's no way that this is going to fail.
You haven't seen a film like this before.
You guys have got a fab film to come and watch.
It teaches you what love is all about.
It's soft, smile, it's honest, and it's so pure, it's so real.
The general emotions of love are universal.
Good cinema, clean cinema.
It's a very happy film. It's a very positive film.
Soft and an emotional film.
Any man who sees this film cannot come out without tears in his eyes.
Makes the film incredibly beautiful.
Would touch everybody.
After the longest time, sensible film on the sensible aspect of living has been made.
There's no way you're going to be disappointed with the film. And I'm sitting right here. And you come and slap me if you don't like the film.
When you all see the film, I think you'll be convinced that it is a masterpiece.
And I'm a part of it. Well done.
Happy birthday to
मैं इंद्रनील ठाकुर.
तुम्हें नील अच्छा लगता है ना? हाँ. उसका दिमाग भले 7 साल के बच्चे का है.
मैं कॉमिक्स भी पढ़ता हूँ, मैं टीवी भी देखता हूँ. लेकिन ये तो कान में पहनते हैं. मैं हूँ ना तुम्हारा दोस्त.
दीवानापन
I'll put it very simple and straight to that idiot. गुनगुन मेरी बेटी की बेटी है और मैं उसे लंदन साथ ले जाने आया हूँ.
सबसे पहले हमें एक अच्छे वकील से बात करनी होगी.
हमारे पास एक अच्छी लॉयर
ये
है.
मदर टेरेसा का आश्रम नहीं, मेरा लीगल ऑफिस है. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए?
आप बेस्ट लॉयर हैं. आप मेरा केस लड़ो ना.
मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. I'm not interested.
Just walk into my life, कहे दीवानापन. मैनू दिल विच रख लूं जाने मन. मैनू दिल विच.
आप बेस्ट लॉयर हो. आप मेरा केस लड़ोगी.
पापा पापा आप दूसरे पापा जैसे क्यों नहीं हो?
बाकी पापा संडे को आराम करते हैं, मैं संडे को भी काम करता हूँ, इसलिए मैं अच्छा पापा हूँ.
पापा सूरज क्यों डूबता है?
क्योंकि उसको सोना होता है.
आसमान में तारे कितने हैं?
जितने तुम्हारे सर पे बाल हैं.
I'm sorry, Mr. नील. गुनगुन आपके साथ नहीं रहेगी.
ऋतुदी, गुनगुन मेरे साथ जाएगी. नहीं नहीं नहीं.
एक बार माया की बेटी मेरे पास आ जाए, I will ruin him.
आपकी बेटी ने मिस्टर इंद्रनील ठाकुर का फायदा उठाया.
20 साल की थी मेरी बच्ची. 20 साल की.
सात साल की दिमागी उम्र है इसकी.
टेक्निकली करेक्ट वर्ड है ना, ऑटिस्टिक.
मुझे मेरे पापा के पास ही रहने दो.
जिंदगी फेरी टेल नहीं होती.
अच्छा, इससे कुछ नहीं मिलता.
झूठ बोलना पाप है.
उसके बाद जब कोर्ट में केस हार जाओगे, then don't come to me.
वो 8 साल की होगी, 10 साल की होगी, 11 साल की होगी, 12 साल की. तुम्हें समझाने के लिए दुनिया धीरे नहीं चलेगी मिस्टर इंद्रनील ठाकुर.
मैं पागल हूँ. मैं आप लोगों की तरह इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हूँ. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ.
quite often it happens that, you know, you decide to do a script expecting the way it should shape up, and, you know, usually it does not. So this film, after I saw the film, I was very satisfied the way we had expected it. It was more than that.
My expectations of the film are sky high.
जैसे मुझे सुनाया था वैसे ही उसको पिक्चराइज किया हुआ है, उसे कहीं आगे जाके पिक्चराइज किया हुआ है.
Very high and very wonderful expectations from the film because it's a film that is going to touch many hearts.
Because it's a very simple, very emotional film. Everyone's going to like it a lot.
अकेले देखना नहीं चाहेंगे, पूरी फैमिली ये फिल्म देखना चाहेगी. God willing, this film will do wonders, and I think whatever people are expecting from this film, they will at least get 10 times more.
I have tremendous expectations from the film and I think I will be proved right.
It's already one of the finest works I've ever done. So my expectations can only go further up from there.
Well, God bless our team.
Don't be back. I mean, be back after this break.
What, you want me to say, got you back?
You're the pretty kitty.
Shut up.
Huh?
मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. Very filmy. I don't want to say that actually.
Setting, badal dalo.
Cut.